What's getting a lot of attention today, I do think it's interesting, is the death of his son, Beau Biden, which everybody made a big deal about it, that he supposedly didn't remember it. But if you do look at that in context, Scott, to me, you know, he did remember the date right away, May 30th. There was some confusion about what year everybody was talking about. But in the context, again, to me, it didn't seem as alarming as it did when I first heard about it the day we reported on it, because we didn't have the transcript. But what did you think, Scott?
Well, that's why the White House released the transcript. If you ask me, and God bless both my parents, I'm with me. If you ask me the day that they passed away, I'll be honest with you, off the top of my head, I couldn't, probably because emotionally, I probably don't want to remember that. But let me just say this. In legal parlance, if you're not going to charge someone, then you're exonerating them, or at least not going to charge them, so they're not going to face criminal charges. The real challenge here for her, not politically, because I think it was a political wash. You're right, your legal guest before made it clear this was just political gymnastics here. But if you can't prove the case beyond a reasonable doubt, if you cannot prove criminal intent, even though Biden did some things wrong here, then he's not going to bring those charges. The gratuitous issue within the report about his mental acuity and his age is really important because Congressman Schiff, soon to be Senator Schiff, he was right about one thing. The fact is that Biden, if he were charged, would be a defendant in the case. He wouldn't have to testify. It wouldn't matter if he was a sympathetic figure or a jury got to look at him and make some determination because he doesn't have to testify. He doesn't have to say anything under the Constitution and his due process rights. That's what makes her statements about him gratuitous.